डॉक्टर हो या इंजीनियर हो या कोई आईटी का बंदा हो, कैन समबडी से व्हाट आई सेड इज रॉन्ग? जो WHO ने कहा इस वक्त भूख से लोग ज्यादा मरते हैं एज कंपेयर टू कैंसर, हार्ट अटैक से लोग कम मरते हैं एज कंपेयर टू पॉवर्टी, द डेथ रेट इन चिल्ड्रन and the death rate in general population of the world as by WHO, UNICEF, UNO is more because of malnutrition. No nutrition. Malnutrition is a different word. No nutrition is another word. Whatever we are eating is also malnutrition because it is not the right nutrition. Mal means abnormal or no. A nutrition, no diet. If I am eating something wrong, it's malnutrition because that's also giving me harm. So we have to control not only the malnutrition but also to control the people who are taking this food wrongly, which is all around us. ठीक है, तो अब बात करते हैं, डॉक्टर साहब ने, she has already explained about Ganoderma, the resistance, immunity, stress. डॉक्टर साहब ने तो सिर्फ 4 स्ट्रेस की बात की. She told you about 4 stress which is scientifically proven. I have more than 12 stresses. While sitting as an expat in Dubai, you have the stress of your family, you have the stress of your boss, you have the stress of your traffic, you have the stress of your credit cards, you have the stress of your phone, you have the stress of your job, and you have the stress of your health. This has nothing to do with the chemicals. This is what we have acquired ourselves. So all type of stresses are going to kill your cells. These are all the killers. So if you want to stop these killers, you have to change your lifestyle. You have to change your mindset and do it today. Do it now. Okay? Now, when it comes to food, अब हम खाना खाते ही क्यों हैं? Why do we eat food? Can anybody give me 5 reasons? 1, energy. 2, to live, चलो जिंदा रहेंगे, जिंदा है तो खाएगा ना, मर गया तो कहाँ से खाएगा? और 3, चलो सेहत, एनर्जी हो गया, जिंदगी हो गया, एनर्जी, लाइफ एंड टू बी हेल्दी. 2 बाकी हैं. Hold on, I cannot hear it. Grow. This is, wallah, Habibi, zabardast. Grow. There is a word which is grow. Everybody grows, you know. Either up or either down, everybody grows. And growth is the essence of life. If you don't grow mentally, if you don't grow physically, if you don't grow heartily, if you don't grow resistance-wise, you are not growing. Either you are sick or you don't want to, right? So the food, the effect of the food is not only energy, life, not only to grow. There is one more thing. The 5th one and the last one is health. आपने बोल दिया, फेल हो गए. 5वां बताओ जल्दी, सलीम भाई. I don't want you to go to sleep, please, हाँ? मैं इतना जोर से इसीलिए बोल रही हूँ कि लोग आखिरी speech I have to be loud, no? Give me the 5th one. No. How? Okay. I want to eat food to help people. Happy. चलो मान लिया. नहीं. इससे पहले एक और बड़ी चीज है. You don't want to be sick. It is for prevention. See, whatever food you take, it has a value. It has a value. Why it was given to you in your culture? Did you ever think of that history? Why Malka Noorjahan ne wo masale ijad kiye the? Why cinnamon was there? Why garlic was there? Why ginger was there? Why cumin was there? Why turmeric was there? There was a reason for all these food requirements. Not only to make the food tasty, but also to give you strength, to give you stability, to give you prevention of diseases right from your birth. They used to give something good for the mothers, so that the baby growing inside should get the stability. So the food is different for a neonate. The food is different for the mother. The food is different for a lactating mother. The food is different for a young girl. The food is different for me, the young girl of 16, but looking like, no, 65. Okay? So I've crossed my 65, mashallah. So the stamina, the purity, the passion, the smile, the happiness, it all comes from health. And health comes when you are not diseased. And when you're not diseased, that means your cells are happy. They are trying to fight back with all the ailments around. And you have to take care of them for long, until God takes your life. It is your duty to make them happy. How do you do that? You choose a food which is safe, doesn't have any pesticide, doesn't have any contamination. You choose a food which is nicely grown, fully mature, fully eatable, digestible without any side effects on stomach. You choose a food which is palatable, meaning not damaging to the liver and kidneys. All the food that we take with all the masala, it's going to damage your kidney and the liver, because these are the drainage of your body. So you have to choose a food which is giving you health, which is giving you the sustainability of health, which is giving you prevention, which is giving you growth, and which is fighting against age. Okay? So all this is there. Power, Ganoderma and Spirulina. Okay? This Spirulina, I'm not going to go in detail about Ganoderma because more than 400 things are there and doctor has already very well taken care of. I'm going to talk about Spirulina, the queen of DXN. After me, the second queen is Spirulina, okay? The queen of DXN, why? Because you just said growth, right? अब कोई चीज को बड़ा करना है, तो खूबसूरती से बड़ा करना, you have to make it beautifully grown, right? If you make a building, what do you need? You need iron, concrete, you need cement, you need sand, water, and good skilled person to use it nicely to make a good building. Building is already given by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Only the cementing you have to do. Only the repair you have to do with your food. How do you do that? With good quality protein. अब आपकी आँख का पानी भी protein. Your tear is a protein. Your skin is protein. Your teeth is protein. Your nail is protein. Your hair is protein. Your enzymes are proteins. Your hormones are proteins. Your bones are proteins. Your muscles are proteins. So what do you need? Proteins. What is protein? Urdu में उसे हम lahmiyat कहते हैं. Now what is the protein which is either आपको जानवर से मिलेगा या सब्जी से मिलेगा. और जानवर कौन से? Animal protein, you know, it is doubtful nowadays. If you have a dairy protein, are you sure this chicken is okay? Are you sure this beef, this mutton, this fish is okay? They are not being given the food which is toxic. So how you can sure that this can ensure health in you? So you should have something better, without any fear, बगैर किसी खौफ के, बगैर किसी डर के, एक ऐसी ग़िज़ा होनी चाहिए जो अच्छी तरह खून में जाए. It should mix with the blood. It will give you no side effects. It should give you good growth, and it is giving you anti-aging process, and it is also fighting with all the bacteria, viruses also. ठीक है? तो ये है हमारी स्पाइरुलिना. स्पाइरुलिना प्रोटीन होने की वजह से दुनिया का सेफेस्ट फूड है. दिस इज द सेफेस्ट फूड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड बिकॉज इट हैज GLA, गामा लिनोलिक एसिड, जो कि माँ के दूध में होता है. और कि माँ के दूध कभी गलत हो सकता है? 2.5 साल तक, 2.5 years you are told to breastfeed your baby. So if you can compare spirulina with mother's milk, the second best food in the world is spirulina with GLA. You can close your eye and you can start eating spirulina as much as you can, because it is the safest food. Okay? Now, apart from proteins, what is so important that UNO and UNICEF is emphasizing on? The most dangerous part of causes of death is the dying women during pregnancy, dying women during labor, and dying women without taking care of their hemoglobin and blood. दुनिया में औरतों के मरने की तादाद सबसे ज्यादा खून की कमी से. इसलिए Spirulina is known as green blood. Because how many people know about transfusion reactions? You know, people can die with blood transfusion. मैं खुद बची हूँ. I was saved after transfusion. I had a severe transfusion reaction. I was about to खली वाली. But I got out of it, alhamdulillah. But I know transfusion is dangerous. At times it can take your life. So if you have green blood, which can substitute your bottle of blood, why not? Why not? Because now people are not going to get the blood anymore. It is very, very difficult because of COVID, because of so many running situations. When you are about to have a surgery, you have to bleed 1 pint and you can take it that pint after for yourself. पता है आपको अपना खून सेव करना पड़ता है अपनी ही सर्जरी के लिए. यानी अगर मुझे कोई ऑपरेशन करवाना है तो मैं पहले अपनी 2 बोतल खून निकलवाऊं और उसके बाद ऑपरेशन करवाऊं ताकि मुझे ही मेरा खून लग जाए. You understand what I mean? That if I want to have blood, I want to give myself blood during my surgery, so I have to bleed 2 months before to give 2 pints of blood for myself to save for my surgery. If I want to save transfusion reactions. इसलिए Spirulina के दूसरा कीमती, the best work of Spirulina is to make hemoglobin. Heme and globin, iron and protein, both are vigorously available in Spirulina. So hemoglobin, green blood. Okay? Now comes your vitamins. Vitamins, vital for life. The chemicals which are vital for life. B1 से लेकर B12 तक. C, D, E, all the vitamins जो आप नाम याद कर सकते हो जरूरी नहीं है. बस vital for life. जो जिंदगी के लिए जरूरी नमकियात हैं. The important thing is you need them to live. जिंदा रहने के लिए, to live you need oxygen and glucose, but also you need vitamins to have a good quality cell function. And Spirulina is full of all those things. Spirulina is full of anti-allergic properties. Spirulina is full of antiviral properties. It has been claimed. I was there in Kenya when this news came in 8th of March 2008. I was there and I'm a witness of that news that HIV has responded beautifully to Spirulina and Ganoderma. This news was there. And later on, these studies came in. Okay, all the viruses, the Spirulina kills the identity of the virus. Spirulina, why it is effective in COVID? Why it is effective in any viral disease? May it be hepatitis B, may it be hepatitis C, or may it be any viral ailment. Why it is effective? Because it makes the shell of that virus inactive. It cannot let it be identified the body. जब body उसको identify नहीं करती तो उसको नुकसान नहीं पहुंचा सकती. So this is how Spirulina works. Now let's come to the beautiful part of Spirulina. Who needs it? How much? When to take it? And when not to take it. Important thing is when not to take it. Everybody can take Spirulina. Only where your doctor has prohibited